hold it up wherever I'm going.
Where are you going? Better than going to the zoo. Oh.
Where'd he go?
Oh, there's the lookout.
Why you come up here?
Hey.
There's a lot of stairs.
I know.
Slower over and slower. This thing's stuck.
Filming? Is that okay? Maybe you can use it for background.
Good corner. Good corner. Okay.
Still filming? Let me check. Yep. How many minutes is that?
I don't know. You can turn it off now and see what I got.
Yay!